That's so cool. So we're at the 3-mile mark, downhill the entire way. My dad has decided to turn back. He's that little dot. And I'm going to head out to 4 or 5 miles and turn around. This is really weird. I just turned the corner and came into this huge valley. So I'm solo out here, about 4 miles out into the volcano, and I'm pretty sure I can hear the nene calling, which is this extremely rare Hawaiian goose that lives up here in the volcano. So I was really hoping to see one while I was here and get a photo of one, but I think they're just too far off in the distance. I can hear them though, but I can live with the view. So this hike is completely downhill the whole way so far. The problem with that is, now that I'm turning around, I have to go all the way back up to the top of those mountains. I didn't get to see the bird that I came out here to find, but I think I'm remarkably lucky to have come across a flowering silver sword. Didn't think this was going to happen. Mile 5. Air's pretty thin. It's so much fun. Gotta love when your Apple Watch alerts you to remind you to work out when you're out here 10,000 feet, hiking 2.5 miles an hour. Wow, I can't believe it. So I was 2 miles out from where my dad was, and I caught up to him. That's him. Now I just gotta power walk. I made it to mile 6, past my dad, and now apparently I'm on the moon. Pretty sure that nothing beats hiking inside a cloud. So this view is pretty cool, guys. You can see the entire hike that I did all the way down inside the volcano to that valley down there. Pretty stoked about this view too. The clouds are way below me. It's beautiful. And now we're just waiting for the sun to set. I got back to the car quite a while before my dad, so I found a quick half-mile hike to do up to a high point, I think. So I'm going to try and bang this one out before he gets back. Pretty stoked that I took this half-mile hike after I finished the other trail, because I can see all the way down into the valley where I hiked today. It's beautiful. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but that's my shadow in a cloud. Can actually see me waving at you guys in the shadow.